Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO Pad M1 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings. And here in this left section we have to scroll down to find something called Digital Wellbeing and Parental controls. Let's tap on it. So here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case 52 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We can also check some further details just by tapping inside the graph, and we will be transferred to the dashboard where you can check the screen time in particular days of the week. You can compare them, and under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using with specific time you've spent on them. Also, you can tap on the specific app, for example the settings, and again you've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app, so you can check the usage of this specific app. Let me go back, because I also wanted to show you ways to disconnect, not all of them, but maybe app limits and focus. Let's tap on app limits, and here we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on your device with the hourglass icons next to them. So let's pretend I've decided that I am spending too much time on the camera, for example. And then all we have to do is to tap on this timer icon or hourglass icon, and now we can set the timer. So for example, if I will set it for 0 hours and 30 minutes, it means that I will be able to use this app for 30 minutes during a day. And after that time the app will be blocked, and obviously it will be unblocked at midnight, because as you can see here we've got the information that it will reset at midnight. We can also set it for 0 hours and 0 minutes, which means that we can block it immediately. Let me tap on OK. As you can see, it is right here with limits, and after getting back to the home page we can see that the camera is a little bit grayed out, a little bit transparent maybe, and after trying to open it we've got this information that sorry, but the timer ran out and you will be able to use it tomorrow. So I think that maybe obviously it is not the best option to use if you wish to block the app. However, I think it is a quite good option to simply inform you that hey, maybe you really shouldn't open this app because you're using it too much. Obviously we can quickly remove it just by going to settings and here removing the timer. So this is how it works. And another thing which I really highly recommend to use is the focus mode. So let's tap on it. Here we can select distracting apps, so maybe I don't know, some kind of social media apps, etc. It's completely up to you. Just mark them here in the list. You can of course tap on show all, choose them, and then tap on set a schedule. So here we can choose specific days of the week and specific hours. Just by tapping on them you can select them or turn them off. The start time, you can choose it from the clock, and after tapping on set, your device will basically limit the notifications from those distracting apps. They will hide them, so we will be able to focus on different things, like for example, I don't know, working, studying, spending time with your family, or simply resting, or whatever you'd like to use this focus mode for. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.